You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Yeah, my voice will hang on. In British English it's said as beneficiary, beneficiary. Now stress on the phi syllable. In American English it's pronounced more as beneficiary, beneficiary in American English, or beneficiary in British English. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot making more of this. More videos for you here to learn more. Indeed, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.